Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Debbie in our Debbie June 101. So last time we unboxed a package, a parcel from Lazada, that is the styrofoam cutter. Now this time, because we are doing some video tutorial in computer and we need to remove our background, so we need to have a green screen. So we ordered a green screen from Lazada, okay, through Tomnet. So this is now the parcel. Okay, it's worth about its range about 300 to 500 baht. Okay, so it depends upon the size of your green screen. For me, the size is 1.6 meters by 3 meters. So let's open. Okay, this is it. So this is from China. Usually, when we used to remove our background using some application in computer, we use the chroma key. So the chroma key is that's usually a green screen at the back. So for example, you use other colors, it's hard to remove. So especially we need to use this green screen. So the size of this one is about 3 meters by 1.6 meters. Okay? So this is our green screen now. So let's try to open. Okay? So if you can see, the texture of the cloth is different. No? It's different. It's not a normal cloth. So I think it's bigger. Okay, so it's nice like this. It's about 3 meters by 1.6. Okay, so this is now our background. Oh, it's too big. Okay, it's too big. So this is now our background. Okay, for our filming. So all we need to do this one is to iron so that this marking is removed. So we will try this time. We will cover a video if this one is effective in our chroma key. If we can remove the background. Okay. So this is the green screen. So those who wants to have also green screen like this, you can order online. Even now is we are in the lockdown or we are in home quarantine, but still we can order online through Lazada, Shopee, or Amazon. So this one is better. So it's big. Okay. So this is the green screen. So watch later. We will try to record a video and we will try if our background will be removed using the green screen. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So this is what it looks like now when we put our green screen at the back. So if you can see, okay, there is no background now. It's already deleted. Sometimes because of the lights, the green screen can be visible, but it's better now. So all we need to do is to adjust our lights and with our green screen, and that's it. Okay, so if you want your video with no background during your tutorial, you can just buy a green screen, use the chroma key, and then you can remove the background. Okay, so that's it. This is Debbie in our Debbie June 101.